May these Agniveers bring glory to the service and uphold the Navy's core values of duty, honor and courage.
हटा न्यूज न्यूज रूम को स्वागत करुच्ची मु रश्मिता। आईएनएस रे अग्निवीर मानकर पासिंग आउट परेड अनुष्ठित।
प्लाटून नंबर 40 पर कमान कर रही है आकांक्षा राजेंद्र पवार, अग्निवीर एहसास।
बालुंगा स्थित चिलिका नौसेना तालीम केंद्र रे षष्ठ बैच रे 2010 जन अग्निवीर ट्रेनिंग नेउछंती। एमानक मध्यरे 310 जन महिला एवं 1700 जन पुरुष अग्निवीर ट्रेनिंग नेउथिले। एमानक सहित 276 जन कोस्टगार्ड नाविक एही पासिंग आउट पैरेड रे शामिल होइचंती। एही अग्निवीर माने दीर्घ 16 सप्ताह धरी ट्रेनिंग नेबा परे आज सेमानकर पासिंग आउट पैरेड अनुष्ठित होइची।
It is a matter of great pride and significance for all of us as batch 1 of 25 of Agniveer pass out from the portals of INS Chilka. This vibrant group of young men and women stands as the 6th batch of Agniveers who have successfully completed their ab initio training, a journey over the past 16 weeks that has shaped them into disciplined, confident and capable sea warriors. Since the inception of the Agnipath scheme in June 2022, INS Chilka has successfully trained over 15,493 Agniveers, including 2,049 women. The passing out batch comprises of 2,290 Agniveers, including 310 women and 277 Navik GDs of the Indian Coast Guard. Over a rigorous 16 weeks training period, Agniveers undergo a robust curriculum that seamlessly blends with the naval service. It includes physical conditioning, academic instructions, marinization and militarization through various activities, shaping them from civilians into confident, capable men and women in uniform. The allocation of branches during this phase marks a crucial milestone, charting the course for their next stage of training at specialized professional schools of the Navy. In line with the Indian Navy's commitment to holistic development, partnerships with National Institute of Open Schooling, IGNOU, and National Council for Vocational Education and Training offer the Agniveers opportunities for academic advancement from class 12th certification to diplomas and skill-based qualifications. These initiatives empower them to build secure and promising future after their initial engagement of 4 years. In the next phase, they will undergo branch-specific training at various downstream schools of the Indian Navy, preparing them to serve with distinction on board frontline ships, submarines, aircrafts, and naval establishments. On this proud occasion, I extend my congratulations to all trainees of Batch 1 of 25, their proud parents, dedicated instructors, and the entire team at INS Chilka. Special congratulations also to all the award winners today. This milestone marks just the beginning of a proud and purposeful journey in the service to the nation for each Agniveer. May these Agniveers bring glory to the service and uphold the Navy's core values of duty, honor and courage.
खोर्धार फटा न्यूज टाइम्स सांबादिक सूर्यनारायण महांती रिपोर्ट।